Hi there, this is Marisa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I am going to show you how to upload a layout to our website. So I am here at DigitalScrapbook.com, and I am on my profile page here. And we come down here to Gallery Tools and say Upload Layout. And so the first thing we're going to put in is our title. Hello, this is my great layout. All right, and then you can decide what kind of category it's in. I'm just going to go with the regular kinds. You can put in your description here. You're welcome to put in, any links or things to whatever products you've used for this layout. Next, we're going to come here and choose our layout. Let's see here. We got to find something here to upload. All right, I got stuff here. Let's upload this. All right, and then here we can say how many photos there are. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you can tag it. So I'm going to tag this with Project Life, Pocket Scrapping, and Kids. And then the colors, we got yellow, white, teal, and pink, it looks like. All right, so the next here we can come in and you can link in any graphics that you've used if you would like. And you can search here. We'll open a new tab. And I know that I have used a pocket frame here. Let's see if I can find it. All right, I used this pocket here. And so I can type in either the title, or if you want to be more specific here, you can just come down here and copy this unique ID, which should get us there really quick. And it did indeed. And then I can add in as many of these as I would like. This number can also be found if you've downloaded the graphic from the DigitalScrapbook.com. This number will be in the file name as well. And then if I want to reference a kit, I can. So let's just look here for a kit that we can reference here. So you want to just know the title here, and we will type that in. And wait a minute. Let's see what comes up here. All right, there we go. So we're going to come down here and get this bundle, and then that's good. If you are on a creative team, you'll have these scheduling options here, but if you don't, then this will not be there. And so the thing to just remember is here, graphics used. These are for referencing specific graphics that come from our site. And then this kit used is here referencing specific kits, again, that are on our website. If you want to reference things from a different digital scrapbooking website, you can put that here in the description. All right. Thanks so much for following along, and I look forward to seeing your layouts.